and welcome back to my channel where we explore natural remedies and nutrition and holistic approaches to well-being. Today's question was asked, how long should a liver cleanse last? This is an important question, especially if you've just finished a parasite cleanse like I have and want to know how long to give your liver some TLC. Let's dive into the details. First things first, a liver cleanse is all about giving your liver the chance to detox, flush out toxins and regenerate itself. The liver is constantly working hard to filter out waste and toxins from the body, and after a parasite cleanse, the body needs support, particularly your liver that's been doing a lot of work, because the liver is constantly working hard to filter out waste and toxins from the body. So after a parasite cleanse, it can be a little overwhelmed with the extra load. That's why it's important to take care of your liver post-cleanse. So how long should this process take? Typically, a liver cleanse can last anywhere from 7 to 14 days, depending on your health and how much support your liver needs. For some people, a short intensive cleanse of 1 week may be enough to give their liver a little boost. However, if you've just done something more taxing, like a 30-day parasite cleanse like I did, you may want to extend your liver cleanse to 2 to 4 weeks. A 7-day cleanse is great for maintenance or if you're already in good health. A 14-day cleanse allows your liver more time to rest and recover, especially if you've been detoxifying heavily. Now, if you feel your liver needs more support, or if you've been under a lot of stress, a 30-day cleanse can help ensure your liver is fully refreshed and functioning well. Now, let me share why I'm doing a liver cleanse after my 30-day parasite cleanse. Now, I wanted to give my liver some time to recover from the extra burden. During the parasite cleanse, toxins are released into the bloodstream and the liver has to work overtime to process and eliminate them. That's why it's crucial to support liver function post-cleanse, ensuring that it can continue filtering out toxins effectively. To support my liver, I've been using 2 specific herbs that are really making a difference that I've got right here, and that's dandelion root and turmeric. Now, dandelion root is great for stimulating bile production, which helps the liver break down and flush out toxins. It also supports digestion, making it easier for the liver to process fats and eliminate waste. I've been drinking dandelion root tea daily as part of my cleanse, and it's been fantastic for that extra liver support. Now, another favourite of mine is turmeric. It contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory and it's a great antioxidant. Now, turmeric helps reduce inflammation in the liver and it also protects liver cells from damage. I've been adding turmeric to my meals, and you might have seen me talk about turmeric lattes. They're a great way to get that daily dose of curcumin, and I normally mix it with hemp milk, or I add a powder, which is a herb that's a root, and that helps me to sleep, and I put that in a previous video, and that's ashwagandha. Now, I choose these herbs because they're natural, effective, and they've been used for centuries to support liver health. So if you're looking to get the same organic herbs I'm using, I get mine from naturalworkshops.com, and I'll add the link in the description below. Now, one common question is, how do you know when your liver cleanse is actually working? Here are a few signs to look out for. As your liver detoxifies, you might notice a natural boost in energy. Your liver plays a big role in skin health, so you might see improvements in complexion as toxins are flushed out. Bile production should improve, leading to smoother digestion and less bloating. Since the liver also impacts brain health, detoxifying your liver can lead to improved focus and mental clarity. These are some great indications that your liver is responding well to the cleanse. Now, the most important thing is to remember to listen to your body. Some people may feel fantastic after a week, while others may need a little longer. If you start feeling more energized and balanced, that's a good sign that your liver cleanse is working. However, if you still feel sluggish or bloated, extending your cleanse might be beneficial. Just be sure to stay hydrated and nourish your body with wholesome plant-based foods while cleansing. So to sum it up, a liver cleanse can last anywhere from 7 to 30 days, depending on your body's needs. For me, I'm doing a 14-day liver cleanse after my 30-day parasite cleanse. But everyone is different. The key is to support your liver with the right herbs and whole foods while staying in tune with how your body feels. So let me know in the comments how long you've done a liver cleanse and what herbs or foods you like to include. And don't forget, if you want to check out some organic herbs I'm using, head over to naturalworkshops.com. The link is in the description below. Now, if you're interested in finding natural solutions for maintaining good health, I'd love for you to come and join our live Health Seekers Telegram group. It's free to join and we have fantastic discussions on well-being and natural remedies. Just click the link in the description below and you'll also find the link to naturalworkshops.com to source organic and well-crafted herbs. So once again, thank you so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming content on natural solutions for your well-being. Be happy, stay healthy and always be wise.